Hello guys, today I show you how to pin the application that you just uh, install and pin it into the desktop. Example, I already installed Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, but I forgot to create a shortcut into uh, the, the here, the desktop here, the monitor here. So how to do so? To do so, you just come here and search Photoshop here, yeah. Just right click on it. We have here pin to taskbar, which is pin here, pin to start, which is pin here, but it don't have to pin in the desktop here. So how to do so? Just click on file, open file location here, yeah, and right click on it, send to shortcut here, desktop here, create shortcut. See, let's check first you don't have here, but after you right click on it and send to desktop, see it come up here. Yes, that's very nice. And also you can pin to taskbar at the moment here. You search Photoshop, right click on it and pin to taskbar. You don't see here, yeah, but after you pin, it come up here. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.